Since you want the bedroom to be a place where you feel relaxed and calm, you don't want to overdo it when decorating. However, it's always great to bring in some fun pieces that add visual interest and color to the room. Decorating this space is what will make it your own. So have some fun choosing a few fun accessories. Look for a set of two matching table lamps you can place on each nightstand. The base of the table lamp can be made of colorful glass, shimmering mosaic, or try a sleek metal sculpture piece. These lamps add a nice warm glow to your bedroom while giving you extra light for reading before bedtime. Textiles are the perfect way to dress up your bedroom, and you can easily change them as desired. Try a fun colorful throw blanket and add that to the foot of your bed. Enhance the bed with a vibrant throw pillows in a variety of different patterns and styles. Bring a fresh touch to your bedroom with a few potted plants. These lively accessories add a touch of greenery and cheer to your bedroom and give it a boost of charm and personality. If you have enough shelving, consider adding a few small sculptures or some of your favorite framed photos. Install wall sconces on each side of the bed for added light if you need it. Sconces are also an excellent alternative to table lamp if your nightstand are on the smaller side. There are a few basic principles when it comes to designing a bedroom. Color plays a vital role in any living space, so consider making your bedroom bolder with a two-tone paint scheme. Navy blue and white are perfect choices if you are aiming for a nautical look. You can also add wallpaper to one part of the bedroom. For an awesome feature wall, hang string lights in the bedroom for a sweet twinkling light that add a fun element to the room. The possibilities are endless when choosing decorative elements for this room. Just be wary not to add too much or else it may start to feel cluttered. Integrate as many pieces as you want that will make the room look feel unique and fun while having a calming effect. The selection of furniture is important when you do not have enough space. You can choose small desk to save up some space in your bedroom. You can use 3-in-1 bed. It can change the bed into mini cupboard and sofa. To make it more perfect, you can attach a cabinet on the wall. The function is to put your book if you do not use it rather than you put it on the floor. It will disturb your activity in small bedroom. You do not need to choose a complicated wall texture to beautify the room. Actually, simple bedroom design does not require extraordinary wall decor, but it will make your room feel lonely. To prevent it, you can choose the simple decor for your bedroom. You can copy the design as shown in this video. It uses a poster and photos to make the room look lovely. Just use wooden accent, it is enough to show the simpleness. You can add a large carpet beneath your bed. The aim here is to make your bedroom look simple. On interior decor designs, you can find many wall decor design ideas for your bedroom. If your bedroom is on the smaller side, add floating shelves to give you more storage without taking up floor space. Look for dressers and cabinets that are tall instead of wide so you can have vertical storage. Choose lighter paint and bedding colors for small bedrooms to help the space look and feel larger. Avoid bringing in too much accent furniture or else the room may start to feel closed in. Try a few woven seagrass baskets that are perfect for storage on shelves, and they give your bedroom a charming finishing touch. With a bit of planning, your bedroom will be beautiful, modern and organized. Friends, if you are enjoying these design ideas on modern simple bedroom design ideas, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram. You will find all the link in the description box below. While your bedroom is a place to relax and sleep, that doesn't mean it can't be stylish and unique. From larger master suites to charming guest rooms, there are plenty of ways you can give the bedroom in your home a unique personal touch. Whether your bedroom needs to be more organized or you just want to create something truly unique. The modern farmhouse look is all the rage, and you can give it an update touch by combining different textures. Instead of buying every piece of furniture in weathered wood, change things up a bit with an upholstered headboard on the bed and leavened with a nail head trim. Metal legs on a bedroom bench can add just the right amount of contemporary style without being overwhelmed. Spice things up with a few pieces of colorful artwork to give the bedroom an elevated look. Toss a soft fox fur area rug on the floor for another layer of softness and even more texture. Or try a funky rug featured in a vibrant contemporary pattern. To give your bedroom a true dose of modern style, try a shimmering mirror with a gold frame for a luxury element. Aside from aesthetics, a truly modern bedroom is also functional. Make your organized bedroom with a storage bed featuring built-in drawers underneath it. Dressers and nightstands with tons of drawers offer you plenty of space to keep your items all together and your bedroom free of excess clutter. Simple and clean and unique are the keys to any modern room, and the bedroom is no exception. Mix and match layers of textures by adding different furniture styles and spice it up with art and mirrors for a truly contemporary space. Now this is special for people who want to have unique bedroom but simple. Finally, when you are designing your bedroom, you want to take care of each of these elements, that is furniture, wall textures, flooring. For furniture, you can use simple furniture that is functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. As wall covers the most of the bedroom, wall textures should be given utmost importance. You can use modern wall texture designs and complementing wall decor items to highlight your walls. You can find many videos on wall decor ideas for bedroom walls on our channel. Just visit Interior Decor Designs YouTube channel and search bedroom wall decorating designs. You will find wooden wall decor designs and many more on our channel. Choosing a simple bedroom design is not easy, but after you look at the ideas in these videos, it will inspire you to choose the best design. This is the right time for you to change your bedroom into the one that you dream of. Friends, hope you like this video on modern simple bedroom interior designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet soon again in the next one. Till then, you can watch the suggested video that is shown to you.